There's a lot to going on the job site. So it's not just putting up the panels. Laborers are there from the get-go, setting up the job trailers. I mean, we do everything. They can start on the job, and they can start by putting culvert pipe in, and they can help grade with the operators and put in roads. There's a lot of jobs that they have a lot of people walking around just picking up trash. My name is Kurt Belcher. I'm in Local 42. I've been an instructor for 3 years now. I worked for Castle Contracting, which is owned by McCarthy, and McCarthy has a lot of solar farm projects all over the country. Joe Weinhardt, the training director, me and him developed this class and put it all together. We looked at a couple different labor training centers out there to figure out what type of system they use. So when they first show up to class, the array is already set up. They can see it, and they know what to expect once they take it down, what it looks like to go back up. So they take it down, they install it, and then they take it down again, and then reinstall it again. Try to get as much reps in as we can with getting their hands on.
What drew me out here today was to better myself in understanding how the solar farms work, becoming educated in building them, to better myself in a career standpoint, to help others learn in the field and be more accessible to other contractors when the time comes. From my point of view, it's important for laborers to get this training, to keep it local, keep paychecks in those of which who live in the state in which we're building.
With the way today's growing and advancing with technology and energy, solar fields are becoming a big part of the construction craft laborers' work scope. This is the third class up here for solar. This is my first time in it. Kurt is, he's kind of running this. I'm learning, so me and him can tag team this.
We talk about the different terminologies and the names of the different components and everything, and then they come out and they'll disassemble it. There's a fixed array, there's a one-axis array, there's two-axis array. So typically the ones that are out on the solar farms are one-axis, so they only rotate one way, east to west, as the sun rises and falls. They have an idea of the terminology, and then now they're putting their hands on it and taking it apart. There's a bunch of solar farms going in right now. If a laborer gets on that job from day one, they could be there for 1.5 to 2 years of solid work. It's just gonna keep growing. It's never gonna slow down. Everyone needs electricity. There's a lot of solar farms about to go in. So, I mean, there's hundreds and thousands of solar panels going to be installed in the next couple of years.